Today, I'm celebrating shellfish. I'm having a lot of fun doing so. And how good is a pot of steaming mussels? Shiny black shells, tempting aroma, little bites of ocean deliciousness. Well, if you've never tried mussels on the barbecue, my mussels with herb butter will definitely inspire you. Check these out. These are fresh mussels. This is a mussel beard. And if you find one of these, you need to give it a shave. But not with a razor. You can do it with your hand, just like this. I like to grab it, go up and down the mussel, and it should just come out like that, and then you're left with a nice, clean mussel. First thing that's going in these mussels, definitely parsley. Ah, chives. Chives are sweet. Chives are like garlic and shallots in one herb. Tarragon, and it's got a good licorice note to it. Just a little bit of thyme is gonna complement everything else. Mic drop. Lemon, herbs, butter, mussels, garlic, you get the idea. Look at these. These are green peppercorns. Even for being younger peppercorns, they're still pretty rowdy. They got a good spice to them. I do not like to waste flavor, and I had some Melba toast herb crumble from the scallops, and I'm gonna use that. It's gonna help the butter stick to the mussels really well. Normal breadcrumbs are fine, but there's already so much flavor in there. This is delicious. You can put that on fish, you can put that on chicken, you can spread it on your homework. You can really put it anywhere. It's so, so good. So in this pot, I just have a little bit of water and vermouth, and you don't need a lot of liquid, just enough to steam the mussels open. A few bay leaves. I've got some leftover garlic here, why not? And a little slice of lemon. Just a few minutes, and when the mussels open up, they're ready to go. Yes! Bring it on! Look at that. As soon as the mussels are opened up like that, it's ready for butter. This is what you want to do. Take the top shell off, leave the mussel inside its shell, cover it with butter, and it's ready for the grill. Into the fridge for the butter to firm up, and then we can grill. So high heat for this barbecue. You want it on full gallop. The mussels are already cooked. You just want to warm the butter up, get a little bit of a crust, and you're good to go. Now, I don't want my mussels to stick to the grill, and I got a great trick for you. Foil. Ready for mussels. So the foil does like two things. It acts as a drip tray and it holds your mussel. There's only one way to serve them, piping hot and on a bed of rock salt. Today's a good day. I'm a lucky guy. Let's dive in. There's only one thing to finish this, a little shot of lemon. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some eating to do. Mussel shooter! That mussel really gets pumped up by all of the herbs and the breadcrumb and the garlic. It's got such a nice natural ocean flavor to it. Crunchy texture, it's really explosive.